I, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar from Ambika Vasa Research Foundation, and today we will discuss about current and future aspect of microbiology. So you can observe here March 2020, a project organization NASA launched at 2020. What they will do, mobile rover unit that will scavenge Mars surface and collect soil sample. And we have to analyze the soil sample. Who will do? Astromicrobiology. So this is a new subject or new section of microbiology. So this is the scope of microbiology. You can observe prototypal diagram of Mars bioreactor. So always everywhere you can observe the microbes, and the study of microbes is a microbiology. Now a story behind reverse pharmacology. Like we heard that every day some drugs are going to fail or failure, they do not work. It means we are facing antimicrobial resistance. So to fight against antimicrobial resistance, okay, we work on reverse pharmacology. That means again we will start the research from aboriginal, use some plants as a food and medicine. When a literate person or scientists will observe, they will not believe on their mode. But when we do the scientific validations, we validated their claim using the microbiology against the microbial infections. Okay, we receive some new ideas, new aspect that is also a future of microbiology. So microbiology is study of microorganism, bacteria, fungi, virus, protozoa, microscopic algae, basic cellular process or applied in both we can observe. Here you can observe the section of microbiology, medical microbiology, marine microbiology, food microbiology, mycology, biotechnology, parasitology, virology, public health microbiology, agricultural microbiology, industrial microbiology, immunology, environmental microbiology, bacteriology. So basic cellular process like bioorganism, bacteriology, mycology, virology, bioprocess, microbe, disease related like immunology, epidemiology, applied environment, industrial health. We will discuss later about the applied. So discovery first. Aristotle, it was believed that living organism could have developed from non-living thing. Then Hans 1950 compound microscope made with two lenses mounted. Robert Hooke 1660 micrographia was published, drawings of biological material with the compound microscope of that times. Then Anton van Leeuwenhoek, first person to observe microorganisms, observed and described bacteria and protozoa as animalcules. Then in transition, Francisco Redi showed that maggots would not arise from decaying meat if it is covered. John Needham proposed teeny organisms arise spontaneously when mutton gravy. Lazarus Plange, air-carried germs to cultured mediums. Boiled broth would not give rise to microscopic life form. Louis Pasteur, father of medical microbiology, disproved spontaneous generation, invented process of pasteurization, fermentation and development of vaccine against rabies and anthrax. Pasteurization, mild heating at 62.8 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes enough to kill undesirable organisms without ruining the taste. John Tyndall discovered endosperm. Robert Koch role of bacteria in disease. He described Fenn Koch assistants proposed the use of agar in culture media. Edward Jenner discovered the techniques of vaccination. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin from Penicillium notatum. Role of microbiology and evolution. All plants and animals establish symbiotic relationship with microorganisms. These symbiotic organisms are transmitted between generations. Association affect the fitness of the assemblage of host and many other species within its environment. Co-evolution, multicellular organism, Example like E. coli in human intestine. Role of microbiology in soil you can observe. Scope of microbiology: soil, nutrient recycling, decomposition of organic matter, create humus. Some microorganisms such as mycorrhizal fungi increase availability of mineral nutrients such as phosphorus. Microbiology and forest, you can observe it is a very important nowadays when we are discussing about the afforestation. So we need the microbes to develop a good forest. Microbiology and wildlife also: host associated microbes, you can observe profound influence on animal health, serious threat to wildlife population. So example: threats to host associated microbial communities, habitat fragmentation associated with reduction in diversity and altered community composition of mammalian gut flora. So these are the example and this is the relation between microbiology and wildlife. Microbiology as therapeutics, everyone know about the probiotic, antibiotic, vaccine, large scale production of insulin, anti-tumor drugs, immunosuppressant. Microbiology in traditional therapeutic system: drug discovery mainly starts from ground level of traditional therapeutic system of herbal medicine. Scientific validation of the traditional therapeutic claim start with the standard protocol to test against microbial culture of disease caused. Microbiology versus pharmacology, everyone know about it. Microbiology and clinical microbiology focuses on all aspect of patient's infection. Microbiology and vaccine development: types of vaccines focuses on all aspect of patient infection like testing sample of identifying bacterial, viral, fungal and parasitic agent contributing to the infectious process. Microbiology and molecular biology: microorganisms, mostly yeast and bacteria, are used for research and industry for cloning genes, replicating DNA and producing purified protein, studying cell function, etc. Microbiology and food: microorganisms use a single cell protein in the form of yeast, bacteria, cyanobacteria, fungi as a human food supplement or animal food. Used in production of a large number of fermented food, preservation of food by heat processing, learn about bacterial and non-bacterial agent of foodborne illness. Role of microbes in our ecosystem: you can observe in atmospheric nitrogens, plant decomposers, nitrate, ammonia. So this is the important aspect of microbiology. Some fact of COVID-19. You know, COVID-19, again, it is related to microbiology. Coronavirus are a large family of virus that can infect a range of hosts. They are known to cause disease including the common cold, severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and Middle East respiratory syndrome, MERS in humans. So microbial co-infection is a non-negligible factors in COVID-19. So this is the relationship between microbiology and COVID-19 pandemic. Future challenges: findings new way to fight against unknown disease and microbial resistance, create a new drug and vaccines, study the role of microorganism as a source of high quality food and other practical products such as enzyme for industrial application, degrade pollutants and toxic waste, used as a vectors to treat disease and enhance agriculture productivity. Career opportunities for microbiologists in details. Microbiologists can work in the area of food, pharmacy, agrochemistry, biotechnology, biorefinery, environment, pollution control, and bioremediation. In the field of agriculture, microbiologists act as environmental and health specialists to study the role of microbes in plant disease, pest control, nutrition, and soil fertility. In the field of medicine and healthcare, the work is usually associated with diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of illness associated with microbes. Universities and colleges employ microbiologists as researchers and teachers. This is the scope, a vast scope of microbiology, in biotechnology, geochemical microbiology, food microbiology, exomicrobiology, genetic engineering, environmental microbiology, agricultural microbiology, medical microbiology, industrial microbiology, molecular biology. So thank you very much. If you have any inquiry, you can WhatsApp me. You can mail me also. So thank you very much. In next session, we will discuss about another topic.